Make bedtimes the best times with Bookosmia's Goodnight Stories. For kids, by kids.
Shay, a 12-year-old from Kolkata, crafts a beautiful narrative that emphasizes that errors can be valuable lessons when approached with a positive attitude and collaboration. The name of the story is Santa's Toy Factory. One chilly evening at the North Pole, Santa's toy factory workers were busy making toys for children worldwide. The factory was a large, bustling place, with elves working at every corner, making dolls, trains, and puzzles. Toy factory was bustling with an energy unlike any other time of year. Inside, the air was filled with the sounds of hammering, laughter, and the rhythmic buzz of machinery. Santa was overseeing the production, making sure everything was going smoothly, ensuring every toy was made with love and care. The elves worked tirelessly, moving between stations that produced everything from cuddly stuffed animals to intricately designed toy trains. Santa's workshop was divided into sections for dolls, puzzles, remote-controlled cars, and musical instruments, each section humming with activity. At the heart of it all, Santa sat at his large desk, reviewing the long list of names and gifts. His sharp eyes scanned the list, making sure no child was forgotten. Each toy was carefully checked, measured, and approved before being packaged and loaded onto the sleigh. Despite the factory's overwhelming size and the large number of workers, Santa's careful oversight ensured everything ran smoothly. The scent of fresh gingerbread cookies wafted through the air, mixed with the faint smell of pine and peppermint. However, on this particular day, things didn't go as planned. A new elf, named Twinkle, was assigned to help with the toy assembly line. Twinkle was excited but a little nervous. She was assigned to help put together the toy trains, a task she had never done before. As she worked, Twinkle accidentally mixed up some parts of the train sets. Instead of attaching the wheels to the trains, she accidentally placed them on the tracks. Before she realized her mistake, the train parts were moving down the assembly line, and the other elves didn't notice. Soon, there were trains with no wheels, and wheels scattered everywhere rolling on the floor. The factory was in clutter. Santa quickly noticed the problem and exclaimed, "Oh, dear. We must fix this before Christmas Eve," scratching his beard. Twinkle was embarrassed, but Santa smiled and said, "Everyone makes mistakes, Twinkle. Let's work together to fix it." The elves quickly worked together, reassembling the toys correctly. In no time, the factory was back on track, and they finished the toys just in time for Santa's big journey. Twinkle learned that it's okay to make mistakes as long as you know and work with others to fix them. Thank you.